Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add videos to your drafts on TikTok. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app opens, you have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. And now your camera will open. Now you can start recording a video by tapping on the record button at the middle of the screen. Or you can also upload a video right away. I'll just upload a video by tapping on upload on the bottom right hand side. Now I'll just quickly select a video and then tap next on bottom right corner. Now you can trim the video if you want to. I'll just leave it as it is. And then when you are done, tap next on top right corner. Now you'll see a preview of the video. Now tap next on bottom right corner. And now instead of tapping on post, tap on drafts on bottom left corner. And your video will be saved on your drafts. Now to see your drafts on TikTok, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. And you will see all of your drafts here. Now tap on drafts. And you can easily post a draft video from here. All you have to do is tap on a draft and then tap on post on bottom right corner. And that is how you can add videos to your drafts on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.